welcome to Tech Leveler, and if you're someone who doesn't like how your iPhone adjusts automatically to the different brightnesses that you're currently in, then I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the auto brightness on your iPhone. So the first thing we want to do is head over to your iPhone settings here on your home screen. Now we're in the iPhone settings, you want to scroll down until we say accessibility here, and we want to tab into that. Now at the top of accessibility settings, we want to tap into display and text size here. Now on the display and text size here, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and we can see here auto brightness is currently tabbed on as it's green. So you want to tab this off if you don't want the auto brightness on. As you can see underneath, turning off auto brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance. So what this means is that your iPhone battery may drain a lot quicker as your iPhone is always at its brightest setting, which in turn may degrade your battery life a lot quicker. If you want to turn this back on, you can come back to this page and tab back on auto brightness. So that is how you turn off and turn on auto brightness on your iPhone. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.